Magandang araw! Kumusta? My name is Glenna, but you can call me Teacher G, and I'm from the Philippines. I'm a licensed professional teacher, and I majored in social studies. I also have 3 years online teaching experience. Tagalog is a very interesting and fun language, and I'm excited to share it to the world. I know that learning a new language can sometimes be difficult. That is why I want to create an easy to follow lessons that caters my students' goal. My lessons are incorporated with different kinds of activities that relate to real life situations. Aside from teaching, I invest my time in cooking, reading books, and listening to podcasts. I believe that this interest will help me connect with my students. So book my class now and let's discover the fun in learning. Paalam!